My dear students, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Ayub Ali, assistant teacher English, Gauripur SA High School, Gauripur Gumilla. This is class 8, subject English. Dear students, can you say how a man delivers or expresses his mind's speech? Who can say? Okay, fine. Language. A man delivers or expresses his mind's idea through language. There are so many languages in the world. Our language is Bangla, and all over the world, like English, Hindi, Urdu, Arabic, etc. Dear students, English is very important to communicate with the other words of the country. Okay, so our today's lesson is a paragraph on the importance of learning English. Dear students, have you looked at the board? Okay, look at the board. There are some points. The position of English. English is important for a pilot, a stewardess, a telephone operator, and a tourist guide. In a foreign office, for higher education, and last, your opinion. I have written some points. By following the points, if you try to write the answer, your paragraph will be well enough to get good marks. Okay. First, the position of English. Dear students, English is spoken all over the world. The international organizations and business world communicate across the world in English. We have to communicate with other countries for political purpose, cultural purpose, and economical purpose, and so on. So, without knowing English, we cannot solve this problem. So, English is an international language. Okay? That means the position of the language of English is international. Dear students, you know that a plane is the quickest vehicle in the world. A plane itself cannot fly in the sky. It needs a pilot. But if a pilot does not know English, he cannot fly in the sky with the plane, and he cannot land in any airport overseas. So he must know English. And there are some passengers in a plane. A stewardess has to serve them tea, breakfast, etc. So, English knowing person can be a stewardess. Okay? For a telephone operator must know English if he wants to communicate with others. Dear students, many tourists from abroad come to visit our country. If you know English, you will be able to guide them. Okay. There are many foreign officials in our country. So if you want to have a job in a foreign office, you must know English. Dear students, English is important for higher education. If you want to receive higher education, you have to know English. Without knowing English, you cannot become a doctor or engineer or agriculturist, etc. And you cannot enter the kingdom of knowledge without knowing English. Okay? Your opinion. Dear students, suppose I am a student like you. I think there are more people in our country. আমাদের দেশে অনেক লোক. If we know English very well, we will be able to get a job overseas that will lessen the pressure of population of our country. আমাদের দেশে অনেক লোক, যদি আমরা ভালো রূপে ইংরেজি শিখি তাহলে আমরা বিদেশের মাটিতে চাকরি পাব, যা আমাদের দেশের জনসংখ্যার চাপ কমাবে। However, dear students, if you want to write a paragraph and if you follow some points like these, I hope that you will be able to write a paragraph well. However, this is your home task, that next class I see you with the home task and you will write a paragraph, the importance of learning English. I hope that may Allah bless you to be free from coronavirus so that you can come to school and start your studies in school. Okay? Thank you.